Reading practice number 6. Dear Mr. Grant, yesterday morning, I received a third Dunning letter from your accounting division asking me to pay my bill of $300 for the mattresses I purchased from you in February. Paragraph. When I received your bill of March 3, I paid it promptly. Period. My canceled check was returned to me by the Trenton State Bank in April. Paragraph. Frankly, I am tired of receiving letters asking me to pay a bill that I paid many weeks ago. Period. I hope you will straighten out of records immediately. Period. Mr. Grant, so that I may have peace of mind in the future. Period. Yours truly,